Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today told the House that his government is yet to finalize policy of legal cannabis plantation in the state. Director of Language Planning and Implementation Manipur L. Mahabir today emphasized on the importance of effective use of native language in education to promote it. Mahabir said this during the celebration of International Mother Language Day 2020 at the Senate Hall of Art Science Manipur University, Kanchipur. People's United Youth Alliance Puya and Manipur University Students Union Musu organized the function. A team of anti-drug cell and Jiribam District Police seized heroin worth rupees 42 lakh in international market near Jirighat High School around 10 p.m. yesterday. The seizure took place after the team chased a speeding cruiser which was captured near Jirighat High School. With a mission of tapping untapped talents of students across India, Nizamiya Scholarship Education Group NEG is all set to organize a Nizamiya Scholarship Test for students on April 19. A multinational company has given a work-from-home guidance till February 28 to its employees after 2 of them tested positive for influenza A H1N1. According to an email sent by the crisis management team of SAP India to its employees, 2 of the employees based in Bengaluru RMZ Eco World office have tested positive for H1N1 as per a media report. A migratory bird survey was conducted at Uttarpad within Nambol Naurem of Bishnupur district yesterday. Wildlife Warden Bishnupur district K. Jugeshwar, President of Wildlife Explorer Khan Brajesh, Secretary Wildlife Explorer E. Premjit and other officials were present during the survey. A seminar on Kaching will be held on 7th of March next at the auditorium of Library and Information Center, Kaching. Chairman of the organizing committee Naurem Munal Meitei informed this during a press meet at his Kaching Pajileikai residence today. A cleanliness program was held at No Man's Land near Gate Number 1 and Gate Number 2 of Indo-Myanmar border today. Shifting cultivation or jhum cultivation may soon get legalized. It is an old-age agricultural practice of some parts of the country, mostly in the northeast. According to media reports, the central government is working on a comprehensive policy related to shifting cultivation in order to recognize the land used for shifting cultivation as agricultural land, where farmers practice agroforestry for the production of food. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal will be on a 2-day visit to Majuli from today. According to media reports, after landing at Gurmore by a helicopter, Sonowal will attend a meeting of the District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee (DISHA) at the Deputy Commissioner's office. Chief Minister Sonowal will lay foundation of several schemes and projects tomorrow. He will also inaugurate a blood bank at the civil hospital. Under the central government's Jal Jeevan Mission initiative, 50 villages from each district of Nagaland, totaling to 550 villages, will have access to adequate drinking water supply within a year. As per media reports, Nagaland Public Health Engineering Department PHED Minister Jacob Jimomi made the announcement during the department's review and coordination meeting held at its conference hall in Kohima yesterday. The death toll in China's novel coronavirus has gone up to 2,236, with 118 more deaths reported, mostly from the hard-hit Hubei province, while the overall confirmed infection cases have climbed to 75,465, Chinese health officials said today. The West Bengal Transport Department is set to reintroduce the iconic double-decker bus on city roads, according to a media reports. The new double-decker buses will hit the roads in March. The bus bodies have been designed in-house by Transport Department, and 2 of these are being readied for service. India spinner Pragyan Ojha announced that he will be retiring from professional cricket with immediate effect. Pragyan Ojha, who made his international debut in 2008, played professional cricket for 16 years. Despite not featuring in an international fixture since 2013, Pragyan was playing domestic cricket until 2019.